What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna review the DC22 dash camera. So 2 weeks ago I received this dash camera and I'm gonna test it to see if it's worth it or not, how it works, and should you buy it or not. You just need to check out this video. Maybe you've seen the dash camera and now you are wondering if I really need this or not. And to be honest with you guys, it's very important these days to have the dash camera. The Lamtto DC22 isn't really a traditional dash camera. It's a 4G LTE connected vehicle monitoring and security camera that also records your drives. If you want remote live viewing, alerts, GPS tracking, and cloud-backed evidence when your car is unattended, it does that well. Even without a subscription, it can still be used as regular dash cam with local recording, though video playback is done via computer or via the app. I've been using the Lamtto DC22 for a bit now and wanted to share how it actually behaves day to day, not just what the product page says. This is after about 3 weeks of real use, not a quick unbox and forgot it situation. The best way to understand the DC22 is that it's not really trying to be a traditional dash cam. It records the road and the interior cabin like one, but its real focus is vehicle security and remote awareness through built-in 4G LTE. It's closer to a connected car monitoring system that also records your drives. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox it. So let's open this and see what we have right here. Okay, this is the dash camera box. The 4G LTE dash cam comes with a built-in 4G SIM card, as well as built-in live GPS tracking, live remote monitoring, and alarm video alerts. So let's open this and see what we have right here. Okay, first we have the DC22 user manual. Make sure to read the instructions. It has everything you need to know about this dash cam and also all the steps to use and install this dash camera. Actually, this dash camera does have an app that you can download on your phone so you can watch everything from your phone. This is pretty cool. Okay, this is the dash cam. It comes with a front and rear facing cameras. It delivers clear night vision and a G sensor plus loop recording ensures critical footage is always saved. This is the base, just mount it in your car with the red tape. So this is the rear camera and this is the front camera. So let's put it right here. Here we have the red tape. This is the one that you will use to install the camera. Here we have the power cable. It actually uses the OBD2 power cable, unlike the DC21, which has the regular Type-C cable. Type-C power port only supports power supply and does not support data transmission. Here we have the installation tool. So this is all what we have. So let's take a closer look at the dash camera. So this is the rear camera and this is the front camera. On the side here we have the memory card slot. It actually comes with a 32GB memory card, as you can see. The camera records locally to a micro SD card for loop recording and event storage. The unit includes a 32GB TF card and supports cards up to 128GB for local recording, which is really good in case you don't want to use the subscriptions. This is the Type-C outlet, which you will connect it to OBD cable. This is the reset button, which can reset the camera, and this is the microphone, and this is the code that you can scan to add the camera to the app. Here we have 3 buttons: power button, manual lock button, and the privacy button. So this is everything. Now let's download the app, open it, and test the dash camera. So this is my iPhone. Let's scan the QR code in the user manual. As you see, this is the app. It's called uboxpro. It supports both Android and iOS. I will download iOS version. Okay, it's now downloading, so I will wait until the app is downloaded. So this is the OBD cable. You have 2 switch buttons here to adjust the power. You can switch it from 11.6V to 12V or 12.4V. Also change it from fuel vehicle to electric vehicle. Since this cable needs a car, so I will use regular Type-C cable to test it. So let's connect the Type-C cable. Once connected, press the power button to turn it on. You should see a red light, as you will see. That's it. Now let's connect it to the app. This is the app. Let's open it. This is the main interface. It's very simple to use. Okay, go ahead and press add device. It will ask you to turn on the device and follow the steps in the app. Press next. Make sure to turn on Bluetooth to connect it. If you can't find the device for any reason, you can simply scan the code on the dash cam. So just scan this code and that's it.
Power on the device. After seeing LED light on solid blue or hearing the Viachi prompt, click Next.
Now follow the steps you see in the app to connect it successfully. The blue light on the dash cam should be solid. If the blue light is flashing, this means there is no internet connection, so make sure the blue light is solid. The dash cam comes with a built-in 4G SIM card. If the SIM card doesn't work with you, you can change it. You can find the SIM card slot right here near the memory card slot. It's hidden right here under the sticker, so I will remove this. You can remove this sticker to find it. So this SIM card didn't work with me, so I will change it. Once done, just go ahead and add the device again and follow the same steps. The most important thing is to make sure the blue light is solid before clicking next on the app. The first time might take some minutes, so just keep waiting. Alright, let's try this in the car and then I will show you some recordings of the dash cam. Okay, so this is the dash cam. I generally hate subscription models. The DC22 does have subscription options in place for 4G data connectivity and cloud storage. Without subscription, the camera still works as a normal dual camera dash cam and records locally to the memory card. The subscriptions are what enable remote monitoring, alerts, GPS tracking while parked, and cloud backup. I don't love ongoing subscriptions, but in this case I understand the trade-off. The whole point of the product is vehicle safety when you are not there. I'm not a subscription fan, but I like what this unit does enough that I may actually keep the 4G service enabled. So go ahead and stick it anywhere in your car. Now you can watch the dash cam directly from your phone. The app is the entire interface. There is no screen on the camera itself. You can use the app to view live video, review clips, download footage, log files, and adjust things like G-sensor sensitivity and parking behavior. You can't manually fine-tune bitrate or frame rate. The resolution choice is limited to SD or HD. According to the engineers, this design is intentional to balance file size, upload speed, and cloud storage efficiency. Now I will show you some footage from the dash cam, so enjoy. My final thoughts about the DC22. If you judge the DC22 purely as a dash cam, it's expensive. But if you judge it as a connected vehicle safety and monitoring tool, it makes a lot more sense. And I've ended up liking it more than I expected to. It's not trying to win over dash cam purists. It's built for people who want awareness and evidence when they are not standing next to their car. And in that role, it's been doing exactly what I hoped it would. So the dashcam has live remote monitoring, alarm video alerts, real-time GPS tracking, and cloud storage. Overall, it's very good and worth a try. I can give it 8.9 out of 10. So if you like it and want to buy it, you can buy it from the link below this video. So guys, this is our review for this product, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more reviews, and peace.